Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today, to the lake for Appies with Chappy by the lake, so check it out. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. For our appetizer today, we're having poutine potato skins. See here how I made them. All right, for Appies with Chappy by the lake, we're going to make poutine potato skins. Of course, poutine is loved all over Canada. It originated in Quebec with the French Canadians, and it's basically just French fries with brown gravy and cheese curds. And you put the hot brown gravy over the cheese curds and it melts. I'm going to substitute the French fries for potato skins. So I got some nice big meaty potato skins. And then for the brown gravy, I actually bought some poutine gravy. This is from Saint Hubert. It's one of the most popular chicken chains in Quebec and Montreal, and they make their own gravy for poutine. So I just got a can of that stuff. Now I want my appetizer to be handheld, so I'm not going to smother it in gravy. I'm just going to put like a light coating sort of to bind the cheese curds to my potato skin. All right, and then for my cheese curds, I got nice white cheese curds from Dutchman Dairy. So the curds just come in little sort of, I guess they're called curds. All right, I might put a little bit of salt and pepper on there, but we'll get that under the broiler so the cheese melts, and we'll have a nice poutine potato skin for Appies with Chappy by the lake. All right, to go with my poutine potato skins, we need a drink. I'm going to make a Tiki drink today. This is called a breakfast Mai Tai, and it's from the bar Donna in Brooklyn, New York. So I'm going to shake this up. Got a little bit of ice in my shaker. And it says 1 1/2 ounces of overproof Jamaican rum. I'm just going to use Sailor Jerry's today. So 1 1/2 ounces of rum. And then a 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur. And a 1/2 ounce of orgeat. And a 1/4 ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. This is just sugar and water, and I put a cinnamon stick in and made some simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water. Calls for a full ounce of fresh lime. I'm just using sweet and sour today. Sweet and sour mix. And then 3/4 ounces of black rum, preferably Hamilton, but I'm going to save that for the end as a rum floater. So we're going to shake this up. And then I have my Tiki mug full of crushed ice. I'm going to strain that on in. And then we're going to do the Black Rum floater just on the top there. And then of course I got a nice lovely umbrella garnish. And that is a breakfast Mai Tai to go with my poutine potato skins. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.